If you say that, Chavi, this is something you should do, you'll make $1 million a year in this business. Or if you say, Chavi, don't get into this is waste of your time. How accurate is it?
मुझे इस बात का बड़ा घमंड है कि मेरे कार्ड्स ने आज तक मुझसे कभी झूठ नहीं बोला. So if I see you making that money, you will get the money.
From Akashvani to Bhavishyavani, meet Prasiddhi Khare Mishra, who started as an RJ but today is recognized as India's leading cartomancer, face reader, and psychic medium. She's on a mission to teach the art of reading cards to one and all. In this conversation, let's discover the neuroscience behind predictions. Isn't it a lot to do with तुक्का कि मैंने कुछ भी उठा लिया अभी मेरा मन में कुछ और होता तो क्या मेरी किस्मत बदल जाएगी with the card that I'm lifting?
The point is that you connect with something higher than you. It could be your own superconscious self, your superconscious mind, and you get answers. So tukka nahi hai if you know who you are connecting to and what is your system of getting answers. There is a science of predictions. There is a neuroscience behind tarot reading. Prediction is a faculty of your brain. The human brain is predictive by nature. Even if I'm walking on the road, I'm predicting my next step. Intuition is a part of an informed mind. Intuition हवा में काम नहीं करता. Intuition is based on context.
So how do you understand what is your intuition and what is just a fear that's there in your mind?
There was a patient, so she was suffering from a rare genetic condition, and she came and said, I want to look at my couple years. And I said, couple years is too far. Let's look at a few months. I don't see more than that. She said, every day is a blessing, Prasiddhi. You're saying a few months, that's even better. Let's see. So I helped her plan for her exit. And I don't see it as an end of anybody's story in any case. Because sometimes I see people passing away and then their loved ones come to connect with them once they have gone on to the other side.
Is there like a time frame जिसमें आपको connect कर लेना चाहिए or beyond this let's say
नहीं.
number of months?
There's no hurry. The soul has endless time in any case. So
Achha, what is the
even if they
soul's-
take rebirth, you can always connect. See, the whole soul essence never comes in life in any case. If you can't be bringing all of your
Oh, really?
amazingness down to earth because it's your soul.
So what happens to the rest of it?
The rest of it stays in the higher dimensions, or it could be that you can. Some people have parallel lives. The soul comes down into different bodies and experiences lives simultaneously too. And sometimes,
Are there any kind of questions which you refrain from answering? Like if I ask you when am I going to die, you'll tell me.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I know this place. I've seen enough of your work, right? Yes.
okay, where am I supposed to look?
Me. Or rolling?
Stop talking, Aditi.
Welcome to Candid Confessions with Chavi.
Hi, Chavi. Thank you so much for calling me here. Looking forward to speaking about so much.
I'm very excited that you're spending your birthday with us here. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. I think birthday पे वो करना चाहिए, that which you love to do throughout.
I absolutely agree with
And
you.
I cannot stop talking, so I think I'm doing the right thing.
Good for us. तो सबसे पहले तो just to set the context right, सबको बताइए हमारे viewers को कि कार्टोमेंसी क्या होती है?
देखिए, there are many divination systems in this world. Divination means how you connect to the divine and get messages from them. It's different from just fortune telling.
Mhm.
Okay, fortune telling is a part of cartomancy. Cartomancy is basically reading the cards to get messages from whomsoever you wish to connect with. Now we'll get deeper into that. But it can also be used for basic fortune telling, past, present, future questions. Rahul मुझसे शादी करेगा कि नहीं question.
मेरे पास defender कब आएगी question. Okay.
When will I get married? The evergreen question. So these are those typical questions that most tarot readers get asked.
Why do you say tarot readers?
Because tarot is the most famous system of cartomancy, but it's not the only system
So then what other kind
of
of cards are there?
cartomancy. So, see, tarot got famous because Pamela Coleman Smith, in 1901, that was when she was painting the first Golden Dawn inspired work that she was, like she was a stage painter, stage backdrop painter. Theater के लिए, actors के लिए stage backdrops paint करती थी, theater productions के लिए. And she was associated with the Golden Dawn, the Order of the Golden Dawn. Arthur Edward Waite got in touch with her and said कि because you are a trans medium, instead of just painting backdrops for the shows that we do, like what you do, why don't you paint a tarot deck for us, which will have all the symbology and the depth and esoteric metaphysical symbolism of our sect, and make it easy for people to get answers to life's deepest questions. So she went into trance and she painted this deck. And it got released in 1911, and she died a very poor person. But after she left this world, her work became huge, so huge that the Rider-Waite-Smith images are today on Creative Commons license. That means any publisher can use those pictures to write a book on tarot. Anybody can make a reproduction of her art. Countless books are already in the market, and by countless, I really mean countless. Okay, itne saalon se that people are teaching tarot using her work. So she was the one who revolutionized the tarot deck, because उसके पहले tarot deck में कुछ नहीं था, सिर्फ playing card images थे.
अच्छा.
Okay, and I do have something
मतलब
that
प्लेइंग कार्ड में मतलब क्वीन है, किंग है, जैक, उस तरह के.
I'll show you. In fact, I got something here to make a difference here. So this is a tarot deck.
Okay.
Okay, not something you'll recognize, because what you have probably seen in the market would be lots of those colorful images. But this is the Marseille tarot deck. So in the Marseille tarot, like look at 8 of coins. यहाँ पे कोई भी इंसान बैठकर मेहनत से काम नहीं कर रहा, which is what tarot readers teach and how they read. You just have 8 coins. So how are you going to read this?
Yeah, exactly.
यहाँ पे कोई तस्वीर नहीं है. Yeah, but there are some pictures. Like for example, you got the hermit. So there is a man looking for answers, like Sadhu Baba. Okay, this is the quintessential Sadhu Baba. So you got the strength card. So you do have some pictures here, and these cards are 500 years older than the Rider-Waite-Smith. So this has existed since 15th century, late 15th century.
Wow.
Okay, and ये wood cut paintings होते थे जिसमें सिर्फ red, blue, green colors होते थे. तो they used to use the tarot deck for gameplay. So इसमें जो आपको major cards दिख रहे हैं वो तो दिख रहे हैं, like this is the dreaded death.
गेम प्ले मतलब
खेलते थे ताश.
with tarot cards.
Because वो क्या था? It was a playing card deck.
Okay.
Because see, tarot has 2 parts. One is the major arcana, one is the minor. तो major में तो उन्होंने खूब सारी, जैसे ये hierophant है. This is like you'll get a teacher, a guru. This is a guru's card.
अच्छा.
Okay, so 22 major cards show archetypes, major themes of life. The hero's journey, which is the soul's journey. You're born, you do this, you do that. Then the death card is not the last card. It comes at the 13th number, and then more stuff happens in your life. And then the world is where the soul ascends to the higher dimension, leaves the body, and starts a new cycle. So keeps going into cycles. That's the major arcana. But what is the minor arcana of tarot? It's playing cards. So वो लोग ताश ही खेल रहे थे. मैं हमेशा ये कहती हूँ कि टैरो डेक में कोई मिस्टिसिज्म नहीं था, कोई हैवीनेस नहीं थी. दिस इज द इजीएस्ट डेक टू रीड, बिकॉज इसमें प्लेइंग कार्ड्स के मीनिंग्स को यूज़ करते हैं. लाइक एटलीस्ट आई यूज दैम, एंड दैट्स व्हाट माय टीचर्स हैव टॉट मी एज वेल. तो ये वाला टैरो डेक आपको किसी टैरो रीडर, दिस इज द गोल्डन मार्सेई डेक दैट आई हैव गॉट टू शो यू. सो एवरीथिंग हैज अ गोल्ड इनले. इट्स वेरी प्रिटी. इट्स वेरी, आई लव दिस डेक. You can make predictions using this deck better than a Rider-Waite-Smith deck, which is more popular. Why?
Oh.
Because Rider-Waite-Smith में scenes है. जैसे कि किसी कहानी में किसी कहानी का एक सीन हो, स्टोरी का एक सीन हो, कि एक रानी बैठी है अपने इस जगह पे, या फिर एक इंसान बहुत मेहनत से काम कर रहा है, दिन भर मेहनत कर रहा है, या कोई बोझा ढो रहा है. इसमें कोई ऐसा नहीं कर रहा. इसमें आपको कोई तस्वीर हेल्प नहीं करेगी.
So then अगर इतनी मतलब विजुअली इतनी ग्राफिक
नहीं है.
images नहीं है, then how do you predict?
You use playing cards cartomancy meanings.
Okay.
And actually cartomancy, to answer your question, circling back to what is cartomancy, the art of reading cards is cartomancy. Simple.
Tell me something कि tarot cards जब read किए जाते हैं, and we'll come to all kinds of decks as well, but tarot cards, since a lot of people understand that, like you said, commonly वही popular है, तो अगर हम read करते हैं उसमें, तो हमें टैरो में बोला जाता है कि आप ऐसे स्प्रेड कर दिया जाता है, बोलते हैं, उठाओ 3 या 5 कार्ड्स आप उठाइए
जी
और वो कार्ड्स उठा के जो इमेजेस होती हैं उसके हिसाब से हमें बताया जाता है कि दिस इज द इमेज यू गॉट, दिस इज व्हाट इट मीन्स फॉर द फ्यूचर. बट इजंट इट अ लॉट टू डू विद तुक्का, कि मैंने कुछ भी उठा लिया, अभी मेरा ये उठ गया, अभी मेरा मन में कुछ और होता, मैं कुछ, तो क्या मेरी किस्मत बदल जाएगी विद द कार्ड दैट आई
ये
एम
बड़ा
लिफ्टिंग?
अच्छा क्वेश्चन है छवि, बिकॉज ये तुक्का तो नहीं है. हर रीडर का अपना तरीका होता है पढ़ने का, उनका एक मेथड होता है. कुछ लोगों को वो दूसरों से कार्ड्स नहीं निकलवाते, किसी को अपना डेक छूने भी नहीं देते, ऐसे भी रीडर्स बैठे
Oh.
हुए हैं. ओके, तो वो लोग शफल करते हैं एंड फ्लाइंग कार्ड्स कम आउट और वो उसको इंटरप्रेट करते हैं.
Okay.
दे डू दैट ऑल्सो. पीपल लाइक मी who don't read tarot professionally now, because 20 साल की प्रैक्टिस के बाद मैंने ये पाया कि tarot is a not the only system of reading cards. There is Lenormand, there is Sibylla, there are gypsy cards, there are playing cards. There is a system called Petite Etea, which is a deck of 36 cards. जो एक French you can say occultist John Baptist Eliot ने बनाए थे. So tarot की भी 4 प्रकार हैं. There is not one type of tarot. There is Rider-Waite-Smith का tarot with pictures and the lookalikes of tarot, मतलब Rider-Waite-Smith system. Then you got the Marseille, which I got for you, which is the oldest. उसके बाद there's a Thoth tarot deck जो Aleister Crowley और Lady Frida Harris ने मिलके बनाया था. They did not believe in the concept of Rider, Mr. Rider and Mr. Waite. So उनका एक अलग जैसे कि हम कहते हैं ना, स्पिरिचुअलिटी में भी सबकी अलग अलग आइडियोलॉजीज होती हैं, तो सब अपनी आइडियोलॉजी से अपना क्रिएशन करते हैं. तो उन्होंने जो थॉट्स डेक बनाया था वो थोड़ा डिफरेंट था, उसमें हिब्रू कबाला इन्फ्लुएंसेस थे. वो एक अलग डेक है, कुछ रीडर्स उसको पढ़ते हैं और उसी को पढ़ते हैं, फिर वो दे डोंट गेट इनटू अदर स्टफ बिकॉज दे आर एक्सपर्ट्स इन दैट डेक. तो ये तो एक हो गया. और एक है इटेया टैरो जो जिसके बारे में बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं. उसमें 68 कार्ड्स हैं और वो कुछ कार्ड्स खो भी गए हैं, कुछ म्यूजियम्स में ही मिलते हैं. उसका सिस्टम बिल्कुल अलग था बिकॉज जॉन बैप्टिस्ट एलियट डिडंट बिलीव इन अगेन दिस सिस्टम. तो सबने अपना तरीका बनाया था फॉर्चून टेलिंग करने का. या वो लोग फॉर्चून टेलिंग को तो वैसे टैबू मानते थे, मगर स्पिरिचुअल एक्सप्लोरेशन, डिवाइन कम्युनिकेशन, कनेक्टिंग टू द अदर साइड, कनेक्टिंग टू स्पिरिट गाइड्स, यू कैन से सोल्स ऑफ अदर हायर बीइंग्स या एंजल्स बोल दो, या जो भी शब्द का, देखो ये तो शब्द हैं, अब यू कैन एड्रेस डिवाइन बीइंग्स विद एनी नेम. लेकिन अब लाइक अ रोज इज अ रोज बाय एनी नेम जैसे कहा गया है. सो it can spark a lot of debates, but the point is that you connect with something higher than you. It could be your own superconscious self, your superconscious mind, and you get answers. So tukka nahi hai if you know who you're connecting to and what is your system of getting answers. So most tarot readers will have a spread which is called the layout. Like Celtic Cross is the most popular one. कोई भी decent reader 3 कार्ड निकाल कर आपको रीडिंग नहीं देगा.
ओके.
ओके, किसी को भी अगर प्रिडिक्टिवली रीड करना है तो उनको एक पूरा एक लेआउट में वो उसको ड्रॉ करते हैं आपके क्वेश्चन के बेसिस पे. द इंक्वायरी ओपन्स द डोर्स फॉर गेटिंग आंसर्स. सो जितना अच्छा सवाल होगा आपका उतना अच्छा मेरा जवाब होगा.
बट माय क्वेश्चन इज कि पिक्चर्स तो सेम है, ठीक है, अल्टीमेटली डेक में कितने कार्ड्स
वही
हैं, तो
कहानी है.
लिमिटेड कार्ड्स
करेक्ट
हैं.
करेक्ट.
सो 2 क्वेश्चंस. एक तो ये कि जो रीडर है, जो टैरो कार्ड रीडर है, वो उसकी एनर्जी पर डिपेंड करता है कि आपके आंसर्स कितने एक्यूरेट होंगे, कि जो आप सवाल पूछ रहे हो आपकी एनर्जी पर डिपेंड करता है कि आपके आंसर्स क्या होंगे, क्योंकि डेक तो सेम है.
डेक तो
एंड
सेम.
नाउ यू आर सेइंग दैट दे कनेक्ट to a higher power.
Yes, they do. They do. Of course they do, because they have to cultivate. See, it's an intuitive system. It's not astrology
So
where
if
there
the
is
same
a...
card is pulled for 2 different people, it could have different meanings?
Yes, of course
Even-
it will.
even though the
it's
picture is
open
the
to
same.
interpretation. Yes. It
Okay.
is open to interpretation. If you ask me a question कि मेरा birthday कैसा आज बीतेगा,
हाँ.
and if I get the 10 of cups, it doesn't mean I'm getting married and settling down with the guy of my dreams today. The question is about मेरा birthday कैसा होगा. So you have to, this is something very interesting which I will get to, and I will explain you how there is a science of predictions. There is a neuroscience of behind tarot readings. Okay, there's a system which is called conceptual blending. And this is something that I teach. This is something that I speak about. This is something my teachers taught me. So it was not woo hawa ki baatein, are bhoot aaya. It's not like that. It's using your brain. using parts of your brain that help you to get messages from images, pictures. Anything can be used for divination, right? Tarot cards are ripe. They are pregnant with meaning. There is so much going on. I don't use that deck now, though. I'll come to that later. But conceptual blending is the reason how you get answers. It's very simple. It's something you can learn. It's something you know. But if once I tell you, you'll understand what it is. It's basically Gilles Fauconnier and Mark Turner wrote a book about conceptual blending. It's a system in psychology. So tarot does blend a lot of psychology with it, not just metaphysics. इसमें क्या होता है? There's a position meaning. Okay, there's a constant. And then you shuffle and you put a variable on top of that.
Okay.
तो एक वो है position का meaning कि tell me how the birthday is going to be today. So that's the position meaning. That this card, whatever card comes here, will tell me birthday kaisa ja raha hai. So that's our question. So that's our constant. And then whatever we shuffle and put on top is the variable, because the pictures will change, cards will change, you'll shuffle. That's what comes on top. So you take one concept, you mix it with another concept. There's a context to the question. Okay, अब किसका बर्थडे है? एक छोटे से बच्चे का बर्थडे बन रहा है? Is it a 3-year-old's birthday? Is it a first birthday that a mother and father are celebrating on a large scale? Is it somebody who's getting retired on their birthday, so there could be a retirement party with it? Or is it somebody like me who's doing what she loves to do best, meeting friends, doing a podcast, talking to people about her passion in life? So context ही change हो गया. Context change हो गया, तो energy change ho gayi. Then you do conceptual blending. A position meaning, the card that comes on top, and there is a meaning of the card also. So there are three factors which are working on a single position. When we put them together, ek ke upar ek, you get you can draw an answer out
Like
of
you
it.
get permutations, combinations,
Yes.
and then
So it
depends
will
on how your
always
skill
be
is.
like that. अब इस चीज को और कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कर सकते हैं. अब ये तो एक कार्ड का किया. What if you were reading a 9-card
Okay.
box
Wow.
spread, like a portrait, which we call the tableau spread? What if you're reading like me, 36 cards on the table at the same time? What if you're doing a giant spread of 52 cards of all playing cards on the table? So it's not just one. Like this is a playing card deck that I read, and I read something called the Grand Tableau. I read all of them at the same time. I'm not selecting, I'm not choosing, I'm not asking you to give me a card. आप तो मेरे से मिलने भी नहीं आए हो, आप तो वीडियो कॉल पे बैठे हो मेरे साथ. You just come with me, hey Prasiddhi, I want to know about my financial outlook for year 2026. New year has started. These are my plans for my business. Now tell me, कहाँ पे improve करना है, क्या होगा, कहाँ मेरा input आएगा. So there are some questions. What, why, when, where, how.
Okay.
Right? These are the questions that we need to answer when we answer somebody's query. Even if you come with a vague question that I'm a podcaster or I'm a media personality, this is what my life is going to be. And this is the kind of work that I do. So now show me my next quarter. I just want to talk about my work. नाउ अगर एक्सपर्ट रीडर होगा जो लेनमो कार्ड सिस्टम पढ़ता है, तो वहां पर तो ऐसा है कि हर कॉन्टेक्स्ट के लिए कार्ड्स हैं उस डेक में जो इकट्ठे पढ़े जाते हैं सारे, इंक्लूडिंग प्लेइंग कार्ड्स. उसमें तो उनको आपकी पूरी लाइफ का स्नैपशॉट दिख जाता है. तो वो सिलेक्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, उन्होंने पहले से ही एक पोजीशन मीनिंग बना रखा है. 36 कार्ड्स के हर पोजीशन का एक मीनिंग है. जब हम शफल करके कार्ड्स उस पर डालते हैं तो वो एक दूसरे से इंटरैक्ट करते हैं. देन what card is sitting next to which card? What is touching? What is near? What is far? Above? What cards are influencing? Below? What cards are showing the feelings or the energies that somebody is dealing with? So when I read my Lenormand cards, and so I wanted to show you this one. This is not something like a tarot deck at all.
Wow.
See, it doesn't look like a tarot deck. Okay? ये सारे इकट्ठे पढ़े जाएंगे. So if you come to me for a reading, and interestingly, so there are cards that will show your health. This is the card that will show your wealth. This is the card which will show troubles. This is the card which will show you. This is the card which, hot guy, shows your husband. And this is the card which shows all your rivals, enemies, difficulties.
Wow,
it's a
okay.
snake, you can get scared. Okay. So this is the card that shows a third person. Another person, it's actually a mountain, but it shows enemies or third person, anybody in between causing trouble. It could be a rival at work. So when we lay all these cards together, 36 cards on the table, अभी मैं कोई select नहीं आपसे करवा रही हूँ, ना मैं कर रही हूँ. I'm just shuffling. I go in my space. And there's a point where I know now my cards are ready to be dealt. And I know where to cut it from. Kitna cut karungi. And then I put them in a way. And I have a system, my flow. And then I put them on the table. And I read these like a storyboard. And I was telling you that day, it's like an advertiser's some ad banate hain, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. Ye kya hoga? How does the story end? Right? Like it's a mood board. And it shows you character comes into the scene. ये line बोलता है, then ये होता है, then the other guy says this. So you plan everything. This is just like that. And this is not just a tool for telling fortunes. This is also a tool for creative thinking. So you got a writer's block, for example, you're planning your next season of your show. And you're like, अब मैं कौन सा वाला concept लेकर आऊंगी? So now you can ask the cards, if you know how to read them, you can ask the cards, show me what would be the storyline for my next season of my show, right?
Wow.
And you draw the cards and you use the lady for Rohini and the guy for Rishi. And you can draw the cards and you can ask them, show me the storyline. So I'll work on this. So you can work with your own higher mind, your creative faculties. There are 5 parts of your brain which are involved in reading cards. You can do investigative readings just to investigate about a situation. You can do predictive readings. You can do analytical readings. You can do readings to look for lost objects, pets. You can read for basically anything under the sun. और अगर आपको prediction करने में बिल्कुल विश्वास नहीं है, आप उन लोगों में से हो कि हम तो नहीं मानते यार ये सब में. तुम क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग में तो मानते हो, तुम कोई काम तो करते हो लाइफ में जहाँ पे
उसके लिए यूज करो.
तुम उसके लिए यूज कर सकते हो. तुम इंटरेस्टिंग आइडियाज एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो. आप कोई भी फील्ड में हो, इन वट एवर वर्क दैट यू डू इन लाइफ, it helps to tap into, see, you see things that you would not see otherwise. So you're like, why do I need cards? Well, they are a 3D thing. It's in your hand. You hold it. Yes, you get concepts in your brain. You get ideas. You get feelings and thoughts. And that's why people call themselves, I'm clairvoyant. I see visions in my inner mind and my inner eye, which is actually the parietal lobe of your brain. That's why you see visions. So your own brain is a predictive tool. And I always say that. And I really want to take this opportunity. You asked me a very beautiful question, and I'm going on and on because prediction is a faculty of your brain. Your brain is predictive. The human brain is predictive by nature. Even if I'm walking on the road, I'm predicting my next step. I look at the lay of the land. कहीं कोई गड्ढा तो नहीं है, मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया तो मैं गिर जाऊंगी. Okay, what if there is a car coming from the opposite side? I need to predict and preempt. It's called, what do you call it? Neuroforecasting, preemptive thinking, precognition. There are many words for it. So there are 5 parts of your brain. One is the prefrontal cortex, which is like the bandmaster. It's like the director of the shoot, okay, knows everything. Kahan kya karna hai. You got the insula, which is the negative thinking brain.
Okay.
It keeps a list of all negative experiences you've had in your life, or anybody can have. Okay, so you've picked up stuff from the world ever since you were born. Then there is a part of your brain called nucleus accumbens, which is the positive thinking brain. That part of your brain will look at the positivity of everything, glass half full. It will look at the good stuff. Okay. Deep seated in the center of your brain is something called the caudate nucleus. That is the seat of intuition that we all have. Okay, then you've got amygdala, जहाँ पे emotions stored होते हैं. सारी feelings वहाँ जाती हैं. That's the feeling part of your brain. That's how you feel feelings. That's how you catch feelings. It's all in your head. Okay, and then there's another part of your brain which is the temporal lobe. We all know it's the temporal lobe has memories. And now these memories could be recent memories or deep-seated memories, in utero memories when you weren't even born. And And there are three parts of the mind also. So the subconscious mind has files from your past life. Think of it like files on a computer. So that's how hypnotherapists, they delete a file and they put a new file, so that works as a therapy, right? So you can access past life information. I forgot to say, you can access past life information also
Okay.
with
Through
cards.
cards.
Through
Oh.
cards. You can. It's a storytelling deck.
But I want to ask you, ki, what is more important here? Intuition or this creative ability to actually understand what the card means for you as per your question? मतलब वो जो permutation combinations की हम बात कर रहे हैं, वो read करना is a better skill or more important skill, or intuition is a better skill, or connecting with the higher power is a better, मतलब what
It's a
actually
3-layered
is?
cake.
So in that case, how will I read? How will I ever learn how to read cards? Because
देखो
I
पहले तो
don't you think it's something that you're born with, that connection that you have?
no, we are all intuitive and we all have the
But ये
predictive
higher
brain.
power से बात करना और
तो क्या
ये
सिर्फ एक मैं ही स्पेशल इस धरती पे आई हूँ
कुछ
जो कर
स्पेशल होते
सकती
होंगे
है?
ना, कि सब स्पेशल होते हैं जो कर सकते हैं.
लोगों को ये फील करना कितना अच्छा लगता है ना कि वो बड़े स्पेशल हैं, वो बड़ा डिवाइन कनेक्ट लेके पैदा
Yeah,
हुए
I
हैं.
want to know if I'm special too.
Everybody is special and everybody has their own take on life. And we were just discussing this, that no matter what subject might there be, everybody has their own take on life. And कौन कह सकता है, who's to say that who's right and who's wrong?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's a 3-layered cake. और आज क्योंकि मेरा बर्थडे है तो केक की बातें होंगी. So it's a 3-layered cake. What is the first layer? The first layer is that you learn what are the card meanings.
Okay.
You learn the alphabet. Okay, you learn this is A, B, C, D. जब alphabet आएगा तब तो letter बनाओ, तब तो word बनाओगे, grammar सीखोगे, तब तो sentence बना पाओगे, तब तो कोई किताब लिखोगे, right? तो सबसे पहले हम क्या सीखते हैं? हम alphabet सीखते हैं, कोई भी language. Consider this as a language. Lenormand is a language.
Okay.
Think of each card as a concept, a theme. This is what, it's an emblematic language. Okay, so अगर यहाँ पे लिली का कार्ड है, अगर आप मुझे प्लेन पेपर पे लिली भी लिख दोगे, it will still mean the same thing. Pictures don't mean anything in Lenormand.
अच्छा. Okay.
Pictures don't mean anything in playing cards also. Only in tarot pictures mean something, and that too only with Rider-Waite Smiths. Otherwise, मार्से टारो में पिक्चर्स का कोई मीनिंग कॉन्सेप्ट ही नहीं है. सो देयर सी यू कैन डिजाइन योर ओन डेक ऑल्सो एज अ रीडर व्हेन यू बिकम अ वेरी एडवांस्ड, वेरी एक्सपीरियंस्ड रीडर. अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स ऑफ माइन internationally who are very advanced readers, they made their own systems. They read their own systems.
And how long does it take?
How long does that take?
Yeah, if I start now.
देखो, ये तो साधना है, जिंदगी भर की है, ये एक विद्या है, सीखते रहो. और मैं खुद 20 साल से सीख रही हूँ, मैंने इतने सारे सिस्टम सीख लिए, सिर्फ टैरो लेकर नहीं बैठी रही. सो व्हेन समबडी कॉल्स मी अ टैरो रीडर, मुझे थोड़ी सी खुजली होती है कि यार मैंने बहुत सारी और चीजें सीखी हैं, क्या उनके बारे में हम प्लीज बात कर सकते हैं?
जी जी बिल्कुल.
राइट? तो आई टेल पीपल, डोंट कॉल मी अ टैरो रीडर, इट रियली रिड्यूसेस. Because
It's the same what I feel when somebody calls me an actor. I
yes,
feel I've gone far beyond it. So
I've
it's a part of
created,
who I am.
yes, and we are all here to expand constantly. The soul takes birth to expand and grow and add more feathers to the cap. But to answer your question, you learn the language sabse pehle. Okay, you're writing a script in Hindi, you learn the language.
Yeah.
You learn the words, you learn the nuances of that language. कहाँ मुहावरे यूज करने हैं, कहाँ पे हमें similes डालनी है, कहाँ पर हमें local language का flavor pick up करना है when you're writing a script, right? फिर आपके पास आती है कि एक स्टोरी, सो दैट द स्टोरी वुड बी ऑलवेज कमिंग फ्रॉम द पर्सन हु इज कमिंग फॉर अ रीडिंग.
Right.
कि भाई यू ब्रिंग योर स्टोरी टू मी,
Right.
you bring your question, your life to me. When a client comes to me, they bring themselves, they bring their life in my hands. Okay, and they are like, I know what I feel in my life, we are all intuitive, but एक बार प्रसिद्धि तुम बता दोगी ना, तो मुझे शायद अपने ही इंट्यूशन पे यकीन आ जाएगा.
Correct. I absolutely relate with that.
यस, तो एक मैंने सीखी लैंग्वेज, ये दैट इज द फर्स्ट लेयर ऑफ माई केक. आई नो माई डेक, आई नो वट ईच कार्ड मीन्स. पास में बैठा है वो कार्ड, तो उसका क्या मीनिंग है? दूर बैठा है वो कार्ड फ्रॉम माई मेन कैरेक्टर कार्ड, देयर आर कैरेक्टर कार्ड्स.
Yeah.
सो कैरेक्टर कार्ड के अगर पास बैठा है तो उसका एक मीनिंग है, दूर बैठा है दूसरा मीनिंग है. पूरा टेक्निकल सिस्टम जो टीचर्स सिखाते हैं.
Okay.
You can pick up books, you can do courses, you can learn from the best teachers. You learn the system.
Yeah.
Okay, you know your system of reading.
Yeah.
You lock that. Once you're done, you go to the second layer of reading, which will be, as you said, conceptual blending, how to bring meanings together, how to look at this and that, put them together and reach a third conclusion, which you couldn't see before you put the cards on the table. The cards facilitate that. The predictive brain kicks in. Okay? So you analyze, you understand. Intuition is a part of an informed mind, of an informed brain, you can say. Intuition हवा में काम नहीं करता. Intuition is based on context, always. The context would be probably that you haven't been feeling well for a few days, and now your intuition is kicking in कि there is something not very right with my health. I need to go to a doctor and get myself checked. But यूं ही नहीं होगा. There will always be some discomfort or something that didn't go as well. Like it happened with my mom. She's trying to walk, but her feet are not landing where they should land. And all her life she has walked and she has worked and she wants to go left, but she's not going left, she's going right. She's like, my limbs are not in my control. This is not where I want to go, but I'm going in the opposite direction. And this has happened once, twice, thrice. And then she's like, no, there is a neuro issue. Now, neuro issue was her intuitive mind coming up with an answer, given the situation that her body was into. She lands in the Bombay hospital, gets herself diagnosed with stage 1 of multiple sclerosis.
Oh, no.
Okay? And she catches it very fast, very quickly. She doesn't waste time for an attack to come or something to go wrong with her body. Correct time पे treatment शुरू करती हैं. Correct time पे डॉक्टर के पास पहुंचती हैं. Her intuition takes her to the right. Why neurosurgeon? It came to her and she got herself checked. She got herself treated. She healed herself and she changed her whole path in life after that. And she's off medication now after 10 years of constant. She's a rare case, my own mother. So intuition कहाँ से आया? With the given information that something is going off. I can see. I don't feel like myself when I walk.
But tell me something, कई बार intuitions, एक होता है intuitive mind, ठीक है? We get I know what you mean, like you always sense that, you know,
Yes.
like if you're going for a meeting, you sense that, you know, today
Doesn't
is
feel
just
good.
not,
Yeah.
I'm not feeling myself and it won't go well and it doesn't go well.
Yeah.
But sometimes what also happens is that you're sending out those negative signals कि ये तो खराब ही होगा, ये तो खराब, जबकि अच्छा हो रहा है सब, ठीक होता है, मगर दिमाग में ये लगता है कि नहीं नहीं हुआ तो. So how do you understand what is your intuition and what is just a fear that's there in your mind?
देखो, when you're overdrive या overthinking bit में पहुंच चुके हो, ज़्यादा सोच रहे हो, you're projecting some preconceived कि इसके साथ तो हमेशा ही काम बिगड़ा है, अब इस आदमी के साथ मैं डील करने जा रही हूँ, I don't know, शायद होगा ही नहीं काम सही से, or
So
maybe
that's actually
I
not, you're
would.
not actually focusing on
So
the
you're
future,
you're not being
focusing on the
intuitive
past.
at that point. You'll have to quiet down. You'll have to see, that's why divination works well. The cards show you very clearly what is the path ahead. If you learn to master this language, you have a tool in your hand. You know how to answer the correct question. A good quality question will give you a good answer. उसके बाद my intuitive mind, and I train myself ना in the process of, see, when you learn a system of divination, आप automatically train कर रहे हो, आप meditate भी करने लगे हो, you're studying also, आपको अपने आप को भी समझ में आता है कि you know what, this card, every time this 10 of swords comes, काम बनता नहीं है. And it's not a concept now from the book. It's a lived experience. Now the 10 swords always shows very traumatic misfortune वाली ending. Now it's not a bookish knowledge. That's why readers are asked to read every day. अपने बारे में पढ़ो, every day अपने लिए पढ़ो. क्योंकि अब ये किताबी बातें नहीं रहेंगी, ये तुम्हारा lived experience हो जाएगा. तो तुम्हें those cards will now mean something to you in your context, in your life. So you've learned to tap into the wisdom, higher wisdom. So you're not हवा में, you're not thinking. And when you start thinking overdrive, overthinking, और एक बात बताऊं, overthinking भी हम तब करते हैं जब हम predict करना चाहते हैं. Every time you're overthinking it, you're trying to actually predict something. यार होगा क्या ultimately? पता नहीं कैसी मीटिंग होगी, मैंने सब प्रिपरेशन कर लिया, मैंने इतना सारा पावर पॉइंट बनाया, मैंने पूरा बिजनेस प्लान बनाया, but I just don't know कैसे होगा. You want to know the answer.
Actually, you're trying to
You're
hunt
trying
for
to
the
predict.
answer in
Yes,
your mind.
yes, you're trying to predict. And when you're not getting to predict, you're going in circles. You're going in circles. So this is what I said in my TED talk. कि, oh, how many of you guys are overthinkers? You guys would be the best prediction makers. क्योंकि
Wow.
तुम लोग आंसर ढूंढ ही रहे हो. तुम्हें बस ये नहीं पता आंसर ढूंढे कैसे, आंसर
But
तक
when you
पहुंचे
speak
कैसे.
about lived experience, okay, when you're reading somebody's destiny, or you're telling somebody whatever, right? किसी और के आप कार्ड्स जब पढ़ते हो तो उसमें से कितना आपके खुद के एक्सपीरियंस पे डिपेंड करता है.
देखो वही तो मैं बता रही थी. You learn how to detach from yourself when you read professionally. You don't put yourself in the picture, although everything is processed through my brain. So my temporal lobe will search for memories that I have picked up as a soul, as a human in this life. My amygdala is catching emotions. So if you're talking about a painful divorce, and if I've had a breakup in my life, I would know how you feel because it's empathy. It's my lived experience. So you cannot remove the reader from the reading, and so that's why they say always select your reader बहुत सोच समझ के. किसके पास जा रहे हो अपने जीवन के सवाल लेके, उस इंसान को पहले आप खुद चेक करो. इज दिस द काइंड ऑफ रीडर आई वांट टू गो
Tell
टू.
me कि अगर somebody like you, if you tell me something, how accurate is it? If you say that, Chavi, this is something you should do, you'll make $1 million a year in this business. Or if you say, Chavi, don't get into this, it's a waste of your time. How accurate is it?
मैं बहुत घमंडी रीडर्स में से हूँ. ओके. और मैं ये लाइन हर जगह बोल चुकी हूँ, और ये अप्लाई करती है मेरे ऊपर. दूसरों का तो पता नहीं, दूसरों का तो नहीं कह सकती यार. लेकिन मुझे इस बात का बड़ा घमंड है कि मेरे कार्ड्स ने आज तक मुझसे कभी झूठ नहीं बोला.
And tell me that if let's say if you or anyone, let's be generic, dissuade somebody from doing something they really want to do, saying ki no, your cards are not reading right, do you think the person who's getting the reading done can get influenced to a certain extent and actually manifest in that direction कि भाई नहीं ये तो नहीं होगा, मेरा विश्वास ही टूट गया है.
मैं एक बात बताऊं, I've risen above all these things because of the system that I read. The Lenormand system that I read doesn't leave room for, ऐसा तो नहीं कि कहीं ये सेल्फ फुलफिलिंग प्रोफेसी है. ऐसा तो नहीं कि कहीं मैंने क्रिएट कर लिया बिकॉज अ रीडर टोल्ड मी नेगेटिवली.
हाँ, तो मैंने अपना
तो मैंने अपना
supposed to be
ये
good,
ये
but
सब ना, ये एक बहुत ही बिगिनर्स क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. लाइक बहुत ही ऐसे रीडर्स जिनको एक तो अपना सिस्टम सही से नहीं आता रीड करना, उनको खुद को क्लैरिटी नहीं होती, तो वो क्लाइंट को गोल घुमा देते हैं. Okay, and then they say you can't predict with tarot. I'm sorry to say, you can predict beautifully for a year or two or even longer with other cartomancy systems. If tarot is not helping you do that, maybe that's not a system for you. Pick up a system that will actually give you predictive accuracy, which I get from Kipper cards, Sibylla readings, or playing cards, or Lenormand cards, which is a German deck. They give precise answers, Chavi. So if I see you making that money, I can put my name on a stamp paper and I'll tell you कि इस प्रसिद्धि को तुम ना पिसड्डी कर देना अगर मेरा prediction wrong हो गया. You will get the money if I'm saying so. Because you get that confidence with years of practice, with years of feedback from your clients, with study. You make your instrument very, like tuned in. आपका सितार जो है आपने ट्यून करके रखा होता है, और आप की साधना होती है उस सितार को बजाने की. आपने संगीत की शिक्षा ली हुई होती है, और फिर जब आप स्टेज पे परफॉर्मेंस देते हो ना, तो आप एक बड़े वाले कलाकार बनते हो. आपको पता होता है मैं ये डांस करने वाली हूँ, प्रेजेंटेशन देने वाली हूँ स्टेज पे. आई नो माई डांस, आई नो माई मूव्स. मेरा रियाज है, ये रियाज की बात है. और एक ऐसा सिस्टम अगर आप पिकअप करो जो प्रिडिक्टिवली, अगर आप कहते हो कि लोग कहते हैं टैरो प्रिडिक्ट नहीं करता, ऐसे बोल नॉनसेंस.
But अगर let's say आप अगर किसी को ये बोल दो कि as per whatever card, whatever system that you're following, you say कि this thing is not going to happen and the person really wants it to happen, तो कोई उपाय भी होते हैं क्या?
नहीं, उपाय तो बिल्कुल नहीं होते.
वह हो गया तो this is the what the card is saying, ये ऐसा ही है.
हाँ, और मैं उनसे कहती हूँ कि भाई देखो, मुझे ये दिख रहा है होते हुए. You can definitely beg to differ. And तुम्हारा बहुत दिल है कि भाई आई एम टेलिंग you can't marry A and you can probably marry B, but you cannot get married to A and you're in love with A. No, but I want to try Prasiddhi. I'll say, okay, you try, but it's not going to happen. I'm very clear about what I'm predicting, what I'm seeing. I share card images with my clients. I say, isko rakho tum. I'm not hiding behind anything. I send them pictures. I said, you don't know how to read it, but I know, right? Thoda bahut to tum bhi samajh jaogi tasveer dekh ke. I'll explain you what has come on the table. We'll take a picture and we'll meet again after 6 months, and you give me a feedback and you tell me whether I was right or whether I was wrong. and they have never come back never told me in these many years that I'm wrong. I want to give a tip to all the readers who out there कि do time bound readings. Don't give a forever reading to somebody.
Right.
1 साल देख लो, 2 साल देख लो. If you come for a professional thing for me, to me, I will not look at your 20 years. I'll say एक दिन आप बड़ी famous होगे बेटा, एक दिन आप बहुत famous हो जाओगे.
20 साल बाद.
And now you're waiting and you come to Mumbai with a bag at Bombay Central Station कि मैं तो actress बन के रहूंगी because मुझे तो फलानी ने कहा था कि तुम तो famous होने वाली हो, and you keep struggling for years and years and years hoping कि कहीं एक serial में काम मिल जाए, कहीं कुछ छोटा सा role मिल जाए,
I
एक music
know.
video मिल जाए.
And somebody had, in fact, multiple people had told me that I'll have so much money at the age of 50 that I'll not know what to do with it. I'm still waiting to reach 50. कब आएगा वो पैसा, इतना पैसा कि पता ही नहीं होगा करना क्या है. You know, अभी बहुत लिस्ट लंबी है तो पता है. So anyway, the next question that I want to ask you is कि what about manifestation and positive thinking? आजकल तो हम बहुत
बहुत चल
podcast
रही है
इस पे
ना,
भी देखते हैं कि
क्योंकि
भाई
that's
just
also-
think about it, say these words in front of the mirror every day, believe in what you're doing and it'll happen. क्या बोलते हैं?
So I'll
पूरी
tell you-
कायनात आपको,
Yes.
right?
So I'll tell you something very interesting. Now people must be wondering how is she able to even predict everything, because is everything then decided,
yeah.
right? Or is everything pre-written?
Hmm.
So when we come in life, we make a blueprint.
Correct.
We make a plan कि ये तो आपने सुना ही होगा, आपने तो
जी.
बहुत कुछ सुन रखा है पहले से.
आकाशिक रिकॉर्ड्स,
Yes,
पास्ट भी
yes,
हो गया है,
yes.
फ्यूचर भी हो गया है.
तो देखो, स्क्रिप्ट लिख के लाते हैं, फिर भी एक्टर अपने तरीके से रोल को अदा करता है, राइट?
हम्म.
एंड सो ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आप अपना फ्लेवर नहीं ला सकते लाइफ में, अपने तरीके से किसी चीज को क्रिएट करके प्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकते. बट देयर इज अ स्टोरी दैट वी आर ट्राइंग टू टेल, अ हीरोइन इज गोइंग टू रन अवे विद द हीरो. तो अब रन अवे तो करना पड़ेगा.
हम्म.
शी इज नॉट गोइंग टू मैनिफेस्ट कि वो बारात लेके आ रहा है. इन द स्टोरी इट इज दैट शी इज रनिंग अवे, सो शी हैज टू रन अवे. अब इसमें मैनिफेस्ट कर लो तुम कि वो नहीं, भागने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, मेरे पिताजी मान जाएंगे और बारात आएगी.
बट क्यों नहीं कर सकते? ऐसा कहते हैं, कर सकते हैं.
नहीं, बट द स्टोरी इज अबाउट हर रनिंग अवे, बिकॉज जब तक वो दौड़ेगी भागेगी नहीं, तब तक शी विल नॉट मीट द अदर कैरेक्टर्स, द अदर पार्ट ऑफ हर लाइफ. अगले एपिसोड में प्रोबेबली शी इज गोइंग टू मीट दैट रिच बिजनेसमैन हु इज नॉट येट इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द स्टोरी लाइन,
राइट.
राइट? सो बट जब तक ये सीन नहीं होगा तब तक अगला सीन कैसे होगा?
हाँ.
So you can only manifest things that are already planned.
Written, right.
Actually, that's very interesting.
Right.
कि घूम फिर के आप वहीं आ जाते हो कि जो तय किया था, जो प्लान बना के आए थे. See, we are going to Italy and we have planned to go to Amalfi Coast. We have planned to go to this place and have this original pizza. We are going to eat this and that. Maybe we can change the itinerary a little bit, and maybe you'll say, nahi, mera mood nahi, I'm not feeling well today, maybe we'll do something else. But the story can't take us to China now suddenly. The story is occurring in Italy. That's why the holiday is going to happen. That's where...
how
So plans are
accurately
made.
defined are these plans?
See, for some people, they are very, very tight, rigid frameworks because they make it so before they come in life. It's not about punishment. It's not a punishment. Karmic patterns are not a punishment. It is cause and effect. If this is the cause, this is the effect. If you're going to ruin your educational background, if you're not going to study, then you will find it very hard to get into a certain field, right? जब तक मैं medicine नहीं पढ़ूंगी, मैं डॉक्टर नहीं बन सकती. It's very simple. तो मुझे उस रास्ते पे जाना ही पड़ेगा ना. So we plan things for a certain reason, for a certain purpose. We plan our failures, we plan our successes. If I have not put it in my plan to be an IAS officer, then कितना भी मैं यहाँ पे आके manifest कर लूँ, I am not going to be able to crack UPSC.
Okay.
Because my journey was supposed to take me on screen and suddenly become an actor. तो मैं bureaucrat बन भी गई, then maybe I'll leave that and go back to the detour होते हैं. So people take a detour, but they go back to the original intended path. I was never manifesting or wanting to be a fortune teller. I was always manifesting and pushing the idea कि मुझे तो television news anchor बनना है. I'm a journalist by training. I've been I started with Z News, and I was associated with Times of India for years and years. And this is something which so many astrologers used to tell me कि तुम बड़े होके बेटा fortune telling करोगे. And I said ये कौन सा काम है, ये कौन करता है?
True.
And my father wanted me to take up law because he said it's a very good birth chart for law. And I said नहीं, मैं तो अपनी शक्ल लोगों को दिखाना चाहती हूँ, मैं तो न्यूज़ पढ़ना चाहती हूँ, मैं तो टीवी पे आना चाहती हूँ. And that was it. मैंने खुद बड़ा मैनिफेस्ट किया उसको. And ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने वो काम नहीं किया.
कर भी लिया,
मैंने
right?
कर भी लिया, लेकिन ये तो मुझे करना ही था.
I get it.
और अब
Okay.
मैं ये कर रही हूँ आपके सामने बैठ के.
Yeah.
My journey is from media to mediumship. मैं आकाशवाणी से भविष्यवाणी तक का सफर तय करके आई हूँ. And I'm a writer by profession. I was a journalist. I think the first mediumship experience that I ever had was with full makeup on my face, ready to read the news on Z News.
Wow.
शायद मैं हमेशा से मीडियम थी, शायद मैं हमेशा से साइकिक थी, मुझे ही नहीं पता था. मुझे लगता था कि सब ऐसे हैं, सब कोई दिख जाता है, सब कोई फील हो जाता है.
So you saw something without cards.
I
about
always
somebody.
used to. So this is my actual
So
story.
see, you are special then.
पर मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता छवि. मुझे लगता है कि आपके अंदर भी कोई दूसरे तरीके की मीडियमशिप और कोई दूसरे तरीके की इंट्यूटिव एबिलिटी है जो मेरे पास नहीं है.
Okay.
You know, this is my gift. You also have a gift. The best musicians, whether it's Beethoven or Mozart, were channeling the music that they were playing. So they were divine channels and they were writing those symphonies. They didn't come out of nowhere. They were channeling their guides. The music got channeled. So कलाकार भी एक डिवाइन मीडियम होता है, पर वो अपनी कला के थ्रू उस एनर्जी को उतारता है. एक पेंटर जब जोन में जाके पेंट करता है, वो सोचता भी नहीं कि वो क्या बनाएगा कभी कभी, और क्या वो बना देता है. When they go in that zone, they start painting and they end up doing like 30 paintings in a week. जो कल तक खुला नहीं था, उनका वो खुल जाता है रास्ता, and then they paint it all and they have a beautiful piece of art. So art is always channeled. Maybe you channel art. Maybe you channel creativity. Maybe you're not predicting anything for anybody, but you're creating beautiful content which people love to watch. They laugh, they enjoy. That's where your intuitive gift lies. So we all have intuitive gifts. Can you manifest? Yes, you can, but you won't know during when, like what times of your life can you manifest. कभी कभी हम manifest कर सकते हैं, कभी कभी हम नहीं कर सकते हैं. So when you go to a good reader, they can help you in seeing the patterns of your life, and they can tell you when is that time in your life when you get to play the game with your own, you know.
Actually, you know, I'm like a very very firm believer of manifestation. और मैंने अपनी life में just sharing my own experience, after a certain incident which happened and which was my cancer. I mean, everybody knows it. It's been 3 years. There was a defining moment in my life when I realized I can do anything that I believe.
Yes.
Okay. Now here's how it works. Sometimes I really want something to happen, but I'm just not able to believe it. So I think what you're trying to also say is maybe it's not just manifestation, it's intuition. Because I know
Yes,
when I
yes.
just know it.
Yes.
I know कि ये चीज़ अच्छी होगी. इसमें
Yes.
कोई doubt नहीं है.
Yes.
लेकिन कभी कभी मुझे लगता है कि ये चीज़ अच्छी हो and I'm really trying to believe. I'm forcing myself to believe it. But I know कि ये doubtful है. Somewhere I know that this is doubtful.
Listen, you are intuitive. मैं वही तो कह रही हूँ. दूसरी बात ये कि there's a system of reading Lenormand cards जहाँ पे हम character card की position देखते हैं. मैं ये दूसरे रीडर्स को सिखाती हूँ. When they come and ask me कि should I tell my client कि भाई ये predict करके कि ये होगा, और should I tell them कि आप इसे manifest करोगे तब होगा. How do I know as a reader also कि मैं किसी को क्या बोलूँ, especially young students who are like I want to be a professional reader लेकिन मुझे नहीं मालूम whether they can manifest or not, or am I really misleading my client, or I believe in manifestation and candle magic मगर I have a feeling that she won't be able to get this job.
Okay.
So how do I know for sure whether this is a fated situation in her life or whether this is something she can maneuver and play and manipulate a little bit? So when you read a systematic method of reading cards, again, उसमें वो दिखता है कि आने वाले टाइम में क्वेरेंट की लाइफ में क्या क्या चीज़ें फेटेड हैं और क्या क्या चीज़ें उनके हाथ में हैं.
Okay.
तो मैं आपको बता
Okay.
दूंगी कि ठीक है, if you are going through a bout of bad health, which will be visible when I start reading for you, and when I look at your future and I say, hey Chavi, I don't see any recurring cancer in the next couple years. Yes, you take care of yourself. Yes, you meet your doctor. Yes, you're watchful. But I'm not worried for you because you're fine. See, people come for two things. Either they come for predictions or they come for planning. Some people come for investigations as well. They don't want to know what's happening in the future. They don't want to know कि हम क्या करें. They want to know क्या हुआ था उस दिन. I'm confused about what happened that day. Why did this friend walk away from me?
Understanding a
So
situation
they
which
just
is
want to
happening.
look deeper into what has
Are
already
there any
happened.
kind of questions which you refrain from answering? कुछ ऐसे सवाल होते हैं जो like maybe related to life and death that you say that no, this is not something I want to answer.
I don't
want to
say no
wait.
for any question.
Like if I ask you when am I going to die, you'll tell me.
Nobody asks me that though.
Okay, let's go.
And I'm going to die.
अच्छा एक सवाल
मैं बता सकती हूँ मगर सुनने की हिम्मत हो अगर किसी में. तो अब लोग बोलेंगे ये कोई भगवान है, इनको किसी का यार पर एक साइकिक रीडर है या एस्ट्रोलॉजर है, आपका लाइफ स्पैन तो उनको दिखता है ना.
ठीक है, अभी आप आए हो ये सवाल पूछने तो फिर then obviously
But then I
you
do
want
have
to,
people who are terminally ill when
right,
they come
they
for
will
a
have that
reading.
question.
But there was a patient, so she was suffering from a rare genetic condition, and she came and said, I want to look at my couple years. And I said, and I remember her name, Smita. I said, Smita ji, couple years is too far. Let's look at a few months. I don't see more than that. And I'm just saying that by just looking at her. I said, are you ready to hear? Or should we just let it be? She said, every day is a blessing, Prasiddhi. You're saying a few months, that's even better. Let's see. So I helped her plan for her exit
Wow.
from this life. So I have done that. And I don't see it as an end of anybody's story in any case. Because sometimes I see people passing away and then their loved ones come to connect with them once they have gone on to
exactly
the
what
other
I wanted
side.
to ask
So
you.
the story continues. Picture फिर भी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. वो
But
खत्म ही
ये
कहाँ होती
बताइए
है?
कि अगर किसी से कनेक्ट करना है, a soul that has departed, is there like a time frame जिसमें आपको connect कर लेना चाहिए or beyond this, let's say
नहीं.
number of months?
In fact, you should, the latter is true. You should give them enough time.
How much is enough time?
See, when you're ready. So when people have lost somebody recently and they are like looking for answers frantically, that's not the best time to do it. Pele, are you ready to take that information in, calm down, heal yourself, find your own, go through your basics of your grief, okay? एक बार तुम्हारा मन स्थिर हो जाए. And then sometimes when they send me a picture of their loved one who's gone, I can tell कि अभी नहीं इनसे connect करना है. Let's give them also time to go through their life review. And is there going to be a message from them at all in the session if we take it forward? So before they book with me, I check. And if I get a no answer, I say, let's not disturb. Let's wait for the right time. And we will connect and get messages from them, say in 6 months. So this is what so I ask my guides, if now is the right time to talk to them. If it's not, then we wait for the right time. There's no hurry. The soul has endless time in any case. So
why there's also rebirth?
Even if they take rebirth, you can always connect. See, the whole soul essence never comes in life in any case. You can probably get a 10 to 20% or 30% of your soul essence and live this life. You can't be bringing all of your amazingness down to earth because it's your soul.
So what happens to the rest of it?
The rest of it stays in the higher dimensions, or it could be that you can. Some people have parallel lives. The soul comes down in two different bodies and experiences lives simultaneously too. And sometimes, see, if I want to connect with my father, even if he has taken a birth again, I can still connect with his higher soul and his higher self. And that higher soul already has the entire story of me and him and of all our lives together as soulmates. Because guess what? Soulmates are not people you fall in love with.
Correct.
Soulmates are people in your soul group. It could be 10 to 12 closer ones who become your best friends. Sometimes they become your spouses.
Right.
Sometimes they come as your kids. Sometimes they come as like that loved boss or mentor or guru or guide who set you up on your path in life. So it could be, or it could be a business partner. You've probably been friends throughout lives and always worked together and done good stuff together in life after life. So there are many people, and there is love in many ways. It's not just romantic love, and soulmates are not about people you romance or marry. Sometimes you don't marry them, you just romance them.
Of course.
And that's where the story is supposed to end. Okay, so we all live different lives, but certain things are good that अगर कोई दोबारा life ले भी चुका है, so you can still connect with their higher essence and their higher self and get your message from their higher self. In fact, it's good to connect with their higher self. It's good to connect with their guides who have guided them in the life before and who have the whole information about their story. So do you want clarity on what has gone on in the past, and you just want that peace of mind ki baba I know
Now I
that
know.
I made a good decision walking out of that difficult marriage, and had I continued what my path would have been, could have, would have, should have. Or you're making a decision right now and it's a very important key decision. Let's check and let's see if it's in our highest interest. And if it is a fated situation, then hum badal nahi payenge, but we would have tools and strategies to deal with how things unfold and how things play out. And then you can also come for very practical stuff as well. And sometimes I tell people come for birthday readings too. Every time the birthday comes, it's like, okay, this is a new year of my life, and let me take a look at how this is my new year, personal new year. So how things are going to play out for me. I never give remedies. I never sell remedies. I don't have to sell crystals. मुझे उनसे कोई पूजा नहीं करवानी, मुझे उन्हें कुछ होमवर्क नहीं देना, जैसे मैं कहती हूँ they go to somebody and वहाँ पे इतना सारा होमवर्क उनको मिल जाता है, पर उनको
रोज सुबह उठकर ये करो,
हाँ ये करो, वैसा कर दो, इतने हजार का ये पहन लो, इतने लाख की पूजा करा लो, कुछ भी नहीं. You just sit with me when it's your time to get these answers. Somehow you will find me and you will come to me and we'll do some good kick-ass reading and we'll document it. And we'll revisit that when the time is past, and we will look back at how good that thing was. And as I always say, proof is in the pudding. Am I accurate? Well, of course I am. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to do this work.
But thank you so much, Prasiddhi, for sharing all this knowledge with us. And I think I want to say before ending the session that sometimes what we all need is clarity. And like she's saying, we are all intuitive by nature. लेकिन कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है कि हमें एक प्रोफेशनल की हेल्प की ज़रूरत होती है ये बिलीव करने के लिए कि हम जो बिलीव कर रहे हैं या
वो
जो
सही
हमारी
है.
इंट्यूशन है वो सही है या गलत है. बट वी ऑल नो एंड वी हैव पीपल लाइक हर हियर to help us with that. If you want to get in touch with her, the contact details are there in the description. And also sometimes मतलब आई एम ऑल्सो टेकिंग अवे फ्रॉम दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन कि कभी कभी हम ऐसे लोगों के पास, आप जैसे प्रोफेशनल्स के पास जाते हैं वो सुनने के लिए जो हम सुनना चाहते हैं. बट आई थिंक द most important thing is to be present there with an open mind to understand, because otherwise it's just a futile experience for everyone कि आपको लग रहा है ये चीज़ अगर गलत होने वाली है, you already have the intuition but somebody is just telling you that yeah your intuition is right, and then you just feel कि अरे नहीं ये नहीं मुझे सुनना था, मैं तो चाहता था कि मुझे कोई ये बताए कि मैं गलत सोच रहा हूँ, सब अच्छा होगा. So I'm saying there are a lot of energies at play here. Our own energy matters the most. Let's not sort of put it under the carpet.
Yes, and be open to receiving the messages that Spirit wants to give us.
Yeah.
And fulfill our life, enrich our life, because divine connection is what makes us human, we are sentient beings, we are spirits on a trip to earth. We don't have a soul, we are the soul.
Yeah.
So get connected with your higher soul, yourself, higher self, and learn this language of beautiful system of cartomancy.
And even if you want to learn the cartomancy,
yes,
this is a new word that I've also learned. That is also something Prasiddhi does here. तो मैं भी अभी जाऊंगी अंदर और थोड़ा I'll take a little session from you. I hope you like this video. Please leave your comments in the section below and tell us what you thought of it. Any questions, if you have, please do put those down as well. Like the video, share it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You're watching Candid Confessions with Chavi. This is both of us signing out. Love and peace from us to you.